Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today here I introduce my design of an FM radio set. Here I use an old doorbell box to house the circuit. This is the FM board 733 GT I have used in this circuit. This board only costs rupees 150. This IC manufacturer is the company Sony. Here I use a 5-watt speaker with a 6 ohm impedance. This is the antenna I have used. This red wire is the positive and this black wire is the negative. This is from the speaker. This green wire is to the antenna. This 3 wire is to be connected to the potentiometer to control the volume. This is the potentiometer I am using. The black wire is the ground and the red and yellow is to be controlled on the both sides of the potentiometer. This is the trimmer capacitor on the board and I placed here like this. This is the lead acid battery I have used in this circuit, and this is an old Nokia charger to charge this battery, which is enough to charge this forward battery. This is the small connector for charging. Here I place all the components by using glue gun. I placed the switch, the potentiometer and the charging port to connect it to the battery. Finally, I am going to cover all these things. Finally, all the work has been completed and this FM radio is now working. Here is the switch and a red LED to show the working. This is the volume controlling and this is for tuning this FM. Here is this telescopic antenna. I made some designs by using glittering paper. This is the charging port. Here I marked all these values of tuning and this volume controlling. This small red LED glows when this power is on. So let us check this working of the radio. So I am going to switch on. So the FM starts to working. The volume is placed at low, so I am going to increase the volume.